Hello and welcome to Last Barbecue. Let's make a chicken and cheese casserole. First off, take the chicken breast and cut it into strips, put it in an oven-safe pan, and then take the mozzarella cheese, cut that into small chunks, and put that in the casserole pan. Then you take a handful of cherry tomatoes and you cut them into quarters and add them to the pan. Take 2 cups of creme fraiche and 3 generous tablespoons of pesto. It's up to you how much you use, really. 1 cup of grated parmesan cheese, and then you mix it all together. In the pan, mix up everything. I'm using garlic and pepper mix, my new favorite, and added that, or seasoned with that. Added the cream to the bowl. Then I put it into a 350 Fahrenheit, 175 Celsius oven for 2 hours. And this is what came out looking like. Time for a taste test. There we go, some chicken low carb pesto thingy. Hot but very good. Thank you for watching. Bye.